Are you tired of direct sales? Are you tired of MLM and work at home scams? Well, today I have a real option, a real side hustle, a real career that will help you make up to $1,000 or more with only working 10 to 20 hours a month. This is no joke, and if you stay tuned, I'm going to explain exactly what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. April here, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that I actually do, which is virtual assisting. I started this a little less than 2 years ago, and I am currently making 6 figures, and people I know all around the world are making a consistent income from this side hustle, career, all from working remotely, location independent, and from home. Now, this is virtual assisting. If you watched any of my other videos, you may have heard this term before. So let me start off with, what is a virtual assistant? Pretty much you are just either an assistant or somebody who's helping another business, company, entrepreneur, friend, neighbor, all from home and virtually. You can be working from the beach, you can be working from your kitchen, the park, anywhere in the world. And yes, truly, anywhere in the world. The Philippines, Japan, like I was as a military spouse, or even in California where I am right now. So the great thing about being a virtual assistant is that you hear terms like virtual assistant, VA, graphic designer, transcriptionist, data entry specialist, all kinds of different terms and different job titles where you're working remotely from home. And I'm going to explain what skills you need to become a virtual assistant, what the salary range for a virtual assistant is, and if you stay tuned to the very end, I'm going to show you exactly where you need to be to grab open opportunities as a virtual assistant. All right, you guys, let's dig into this. Now, April, what skills do I need to become a virtual assistant? Well, here's a great answer for you. Whatever skills you have now, 100%. You don't need to go learn some fancy new tools. You don't need to go learn and take a bunch of different education courses or get a degree. Nothing like that. If you're a good listener, good at communication, dependable, hardworking, if you are a great typer, you have an eye for design, the list can go on and on. You can use your own natural skills, hard and soft, to become a virtual assistant. Now, April, what's the salary range for a virtual assistant? Well, again, great news. If you're in the United States, entry level, no degree, no experience, runs around $15 an hour. Isn't that truly amazing? Because to me, with somebody who had no experience, no degree, starting out, $15 an hour was more than my manager position at a franchise. Now, if you're working anywhere else in the world, it really just depends on your cost of living. But what's so great is that if you grab some experience and you start marketing towards at least the United States, you know you can be guaranteed starting off at $15 an hour. Pretty snazzy, right? Now, what's even better is that you can easily get anywhere between $35 to $60 an hour once you start building up a portfolio, grabbing testimonials, and narrowing down your audience and your niche, your specialty as a virtual assistant. Okay, April, that sounds great, but what even tasks do virtual assistants do? I get this question a lot. These tasks can range from general admin tasks like data entry, email management, answering phone calls, making appointments, to even graphic design, video editing. You guys, the list goes on and on. Now, if all of this sounds great to you, I'm sure you're asking, okay, April, where do I find these jobs? The great thing is you can find them anywhere, from websites like Fiverr and Upwork and People Per Hour, where you literally sign up, create a profile, and start accepting gigs, to even becoming a freelancer and finding opportunities like social media through LinkedIn or Facebook groups. There are tons of specific Facebook groups, for example, that actually post jobs continuously day to day with actual openings for people who are looking to hire virtual assistants. I'm sure you're probably thinking, April, this is just way too good to be true. Well, if you head over to the description below, you can grab my free, yes, absolutely free downloadable roadmap to becoming a virtual assistant, where I even explain how to get clients and where to find them even more in depth with actual links. Or you can also join my Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit, and be a part of a huge community of virtual assistants. People who are just like you, who have already started getting clients and making consistent income. Now, if you're like, okay, April, I already have your roadmap, I'm a part of your group, but I need some intense training. I need to have somebody to hold my hand and walk me through this process, and I want to be able to make true consistent income. Then join my course, Stay at Home Profit Virtual Assistant Edition, where within 30 days, not only will you be bringing in consistent income, but you'll be a true virtual assistant creating the life of your dreams. All the information is down below in the description. And if you're already a virtual assistant, I would love to hear from you and your experience down below in the comments. For me personally, becoming a virtual assistant changed my life as a military spouse. I was able to move across the world, move 3 times in 1 year, and work from home while being a mom, while creating consistent income. Having a true career that I can take anywhere and work anywhere. So if this is something you are striving for, if this is something you are wishing for, then this is for you. Alright guys, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for some awesome content for becoming a stay-at-home profiter. Check you guys next time.